In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a canvas using Canva, a process that's simple, efficient, and can save you a lot of time and money, whether you're just starting out or already a seasoned creator. Knowing how to use Canvas features effectively can help you design beautiful visuals with ease. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva's website. Once you're on the homepage, a great way to kick off your creative project is by searching for a template that suits your needs. Simply navigate to the search bar and type in a keyword related to the design you have in mind. For example, if you want to create a blog post graphic, type blog. This will bring up a wide variety of templates tailored specifically for blog visuals. Browse through the results carefully. You'll notice many free options available, so take your time to find one that not only looks appealing, but also fits your content style. While it can be tempting to pick something elaborate, a simple and clean design often works best for clarity and professionalism. Once you've selected your template, click on the button labeled Customize this template. This opens Canva's editor, giving you the freedom to personalize every element of your design. Now comes the fun part, editing. Adjust the colors to match your brand palette, resize elements, or replace text to make the template uniquely yours. Canva also lets you add images, shapes, or upload your own assets, allowing for even more creativity. Experiment with fonts, sizes, and alignment to ensure your message stands out clearly. If your template is for a blog post, make sure the text is readable and grabs your reader's attention instantly. Once you're happy with your edits, take a moment to review your design. Check for spelling errors, misaligned elements, or anything that seems out of place. A polished design makes your content look professional and ensures it's taken seriously. Finally, when everything looks perfect, you can download your creation or share it directly from Canva, ready to use wherever it's needed. And there you have it, a stunning professional quality graphic created effortlessly with Canva. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow.